This video is just a quick review of how the chain rule works. And in this yellow box, I've stated it the way it usually appears in a calculus book. It says, suppose that h of x is a function of a function. So it's f of g of x. That means g of x is the interior function. Then the derivative of h is given by the derivative of f with respect to its interior. So this statement right here is really saying treat g of x like it's just a single variable and just differentiate the outer function with respect to that. And then you have to tack on a factor where you take the derivative of that inner function. So the way I like to remember this is actually by using Leibniz notation. dh dx, that's the derivative of the entire function. It's going to be the derivative with respect to the interior function g dh dg multiplied by the derivative of g with respect to x. This is a really handy mnemonic device because if I think about the differentials canceling on the right hand side like this, I get back my dh dx. So this makes it very easy to remember what you're supposed to do with the chain rule. All right, in our example, I have a function of a function where I have just this simple binomial raised to a power. One option would be to expand this thing and then differentiate every one of the terms, but I'm trying to get fancier and use the chain rule. So the inner function is x squared minus 3. That entire thing is being raised to the second power. So when I take h prime of x, I differentiate with respect to this interior function. In other words, I treat that like it's a single variable. So I just have a variable squared. And when I differentiate that, I just get twice that variable. All right, so now I've differentiated with respect to g, and then I have to tack on the derivative of g with respect to x. The derivative of this interior piece is just 2x. And then I can just clean it up a little bit. 4x times the quantity x squared minus 3, and I'm done. If you find the math content on Zach's Lab helpful, click on the Zach's Lab logo on the right to browse playlists and subscribe to the channel. I produce dozens of new videos per month, and subscribing is the easiest way to find new content. Thanks for watching.